In this video, I'll show you how to add a thumbnail to YouTube Shorts. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. Now open your YouTube, click on this plus icon. So I'm going to select one of my previous videos I just made here and I'm going to post it. Then I'm going to show you how I can be able to add the thumbnail, right? But please make sure the video is going to be in a vertical style, not the horizontal style. So make sure it's in the vertical style. So I'm going to select the video and continue from where I'm going to show you how to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to explore. Okay, so this is the video. Make sure it is in the vertical style for it to be able to add a thumbnail to your YouTube short. Then the thumbnail you're going to be adding is going to be it's going to be a picture from inside the video you want to post. So this video is 50 seconds. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be able to see that pen icon, click on it. Then you're going to be able to see this. So you can come on here, you can drag and choose which you want it to be the thumbnail of the short. So let me say if I want it to be this, I'm going to just click on this good icon at the top. So you can see this is currently what is in this thumbnail. Like in this short, this is the thumbnail that is it. So if I click on this pen again, I can also come on here and select, let me say this, click on this. So this is how I can be able to do this. So make sure you follow these instructions I just showed you in this video. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the very next video.